Chapter 6.
Phonic sound of U. Read aloud. Bug, tub, bus, jug, cup, sun, run, hut. Read and learn. UT, ut. C plus UT, cut. N plus UT, nut. G plus UT, gut. R plus UT, rut. H plus UT, hut. B plus UT, butt. J plus UT, jut. T plus UT, tut. UG, ugh. B plus UG, bug. L plus UG, lug. D plus UG, dug. M plus UG, mug. H plus UG, hug. P plus UG, pug. J plus UG, jug. R plus UG, rug. Read. There is a duck. He has a drum. B plus bum. S plus sum. G plus gum. D plus dumb. H plus hum. Dr plus drum. M plus mum. PL plus plum. Read the words aloud and learn. UB, ub. Cub, tub, rub, hub, dub. UN, run, sun, fun, done, gun. UT, ut, but, nut, cut, hut, tut. UG, ugh, bug, hug, jug, mug, rug. Gum, hum, sum, tum, yum. Read and learn. A buck, a puck, a duck, a yuck, a luck. A muck, a tuck, a chuck, a snuck, a cluck. A stuck, a pluck, a truck, a struck, a potluck. A nut. I cut the nut. I put it in the hut. A bug. The bug is on the jug. The jug is on the rug.